my name is Indrajit Singh, General Manager OEM Sales at Edson Lighting Private Limited. We are leading OEM manufacturer of indoor, outdoor as well as SMPS and driver. We have in-house pressure die casting unit, injection molding, automatic powder coating, SMT, MI, packaging manufacturing and assembling setup. We have capacity of 60,000 indoor assembling, 15,000 outdoor assembling and 80,000 SMPS and driver per day. We are eager to launch SMPS in different design available from 24 watt to 400 watt, bulkhead fittings, solar lights and many more design in indoor as well as in outdoor lightings. All products are available in high lumen, good quality with